If you want to mute only part of a video in CapCut without silencing the whole clip, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is super useful when you want to remove background noise from one section, mute a mistake, or hide audio in a specific moment while keeping the rest of your video intact. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and find the clip you want to edit on the timeline. Now drag the playhead to the exact point where you want the muted section to begin. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. Getting this first split in the right place is important, so take your time and line it up carefully. Once the playhead is at the start point, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. If you're on the desktop version of CapCut, this is the quickest way to split the clip. If you prefer, you can also click the split icon in the toolbar above the timeline. Either method will cut the clip at the playhead position. Next, move the playhead to the exact end of the section you want to silence. Again, try to be precise so you only mute the part you actually want removed. When the playhead is in the correct spot, press Ctrl+B one more time, or use the split icon again. Now the section you want to mute is isolated as its own separate clip. After that, click directly on the isolated clip segment on the timeline so it becomes selected. You should see the editing options appear on the screen. Look to the top right side of your workspace for the Properties panel. This is where CapCut gives you control over things like video settings, animation, and audio. Now click the Audio tab at the top of that panel. Inside the audio settings, you'll see a volume slider. This slider controls the sound level for that exact segment of the clip. To mute the section completely, drag the slider all the way to the left until it reaches -infinity decibels, or 0, depending on your version of CapCut. That means the audio in that isolated section is now fully muted. At this point, you can play back the timeline and check your edits. You should hear audio before the muted section, then silence during the isolated part, and then audio again after it. If it doesn't sound right, you can always click the clip again and adjust the split points or volume until it's perfect. This method is especially helpful because it gives you full control over just one part of the video. Instead of removing the entire audio track, you're only muting the exact section you don't want. That makes your edit cleaner, more professional, and much easier to manage. And that's it. You've now learned how to mute part of a video in CapCut using simple split and volume controls. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.